Today I'm going to demonstrate the new Android green screen wizard. Now, like all green screen wizards, you can move the foreground around the background. And you can select and change the foreground. Now this is a nice image, but obviously we can put any background we want on it. And there she is. It's important to note that you need a green screen image as a foreground image. Let's try another one. Here's our beautiful swimsuit model. Doesn't look too good on flowers, so let's find one that does work better. And I just happen to know there's a cool jungle photo in here, and I also happen to know that it's wide, so we're going to go to landscape mode. And this, I think, is just a gorgeous photo. But let's try putting her on a beach so we can demonstrate a couple of the other features. And slide her over a little bit. There we go. And now, this works fine just as it is, but let's see if we can adjust some colors and make it look like she's in a sunset. Excuse my fat fingers. There we go. And we change to the background by clicking that little blue box up top, the switch. And now we're adjusting the background color, and that looks pretty sunsetty. But you can see she's a bit dark, so we'll go to the brightness and just brighten her up just a bit. So you use these controls to match the foreground and background in color and brightness. Very important if you want to have a realistic output. So let's look at a foreground that has a few problems. Okay, and I just happen to know that she fits well on this image from the park, our gardens, and we're going to scale her down and fit it. You see that gray thing on the top? Well, that's actually the ceiling above the green screen that got into the photo. So if there's anything in the photo that we need to get rid of, we have two ways. We can clip it out using that clipping case, which in this case would work, but it's more fun to show you the editor. Now, if you click on sliders, you can adjust the sliders and their transparency. You turn the sliders off. As soon as you turn the sliders off, you can just use your finger to erase things. There you go, simple as that. So I hope you enjoyed Android Green Screen Wizard, and you can get it at the Google Play Store. Thanks a lot for watching.